Just doing a termite inspection in a roof void at Sunnybank Hills. Roof has a lot of insulation, and just over here, concealed by the, we find a large infestation of termites that have used the insulation to track along. As you can see, they are tracking along, hidden away from any view. This species is Coptotermes lacti, and we better not disturb them too much, so we can apply a controlling agent or initial treatment to their workings. So depending on the species, we can recommend baiting or chemical. In this case, we have applied an above ground bait station.